Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 14, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 14, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, March 14, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 14, 2024 Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 6.5 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 51 million pesos for Thursday, March 14, 2024. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of March 14, 2024 Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.